When you're adding and subtracting negative numbers, you're going to see where you are on the chart. If you're adding things with like signs, you just add the regular way. So this would be adding two positives. This would be adding a positive and a negative. This would be adding a negative and a positive. And this would be adding two negatives. So again, if you have like signs, you just add. Now, that would be something like positive 3 plus positive 8. You just add that together to get positive 11. Or you have negative 2 plus negative 6. You add that together to get negative 8. But if you have something where you have a positive number added to a negative number, like positive 3 added to a negative 5, what you do is you just take the bigger number, subtract the smaller number like you normally would in regular everyday math, and whatever that answer is, you're going to give it the same sign as the bigger number. So here we had a negative 5 and we had a 3, which is positive. This is the bigger number, so it's going to keep the sign as the bigger number. So the answer to this is negative 2. So all you do is a two-step process. Subtract, and then keep the sign of the bigger. You know, keep bigger sign. All right, the same thing over here. If I'm subtracting a negative, if I'm adding a negative number to a positive number, that's something like a negative 2 plus a positive 7. Again, I go over here, I subtract first. I go 7 minus 2 is 5. And then I keep the bigger sign. And the sign on this 7 is positive. The sign on the 2 is negative. So I'm going to keep the bigger sign and I'm going to place it right here. So the answer to that is positive 5.